Let's talk about how to use the OneTapConnect Smart Bumper. In the case you're out walking the dog, you're at the gym, you don't have your tap card on you, that's where the bumper comes in. So if someone says, do you have a card? I say, you have a phone. On an Apple product, I'm going to touch the back of the earpiece. You click the phone, and now all of your information pops up. You also have the option to use the QR code on the smart bumper to transfer the information as well. Now, if you're on an Android, Android's a little bit different. You need to touch the back center of an Android. So you would touch back center, and immediately on an Android, all of your information opens up. Now, Android's open source. The person has the choice to have their near frequency communication on. Apple, the near frequency communication is always on because that's what Apple Pay runs off as well. So I hope this helped you. The Smart Bumper is a great tool, especially when you're out and about. You may have forgotten your wallet, you may have forgotten your tap card, and women love it because they don't have to go in their purse.